Hi, this is Gordon Moore, and I wanted to show you how to get to your own cumulative How's Your Health data. You go to idealmedicalpractices.org. You click on My Ideal Practice down here or right up here. It's the same thing. You'll be prompted to put in your username and password. Mine was already in, so it took me right to this point. And at this point, you'll see on the My Ideal Practice homepage the links for the benchmarks. By the way, that's where you go to compare your How's Your Health data to others, national or other IMP cohorts. But here on the upper right, you see your cumulative data for How's Your Health encounters as well as in the last month. And you click on Get Survey Summary. Now, again, I already put my username and password in just before, but you will be prompted to put that in, and that's your practice access code and then your password. At this page, you're given the opportunity to choose what window you're looking at for your practice summary data. Do you want to look at adolescents? Do you want to look at adults and geriatric, or just adults? Do you want to look at low level of illness burden or high? Illness burden is defined by number of clinical conditions plus problems with pain, with emotions, lacking finances, lacking confidence in management of conditions, so you can sort by that. You can sort by year. Let's just look between '01 and '03, for instance, or you could look at a quarter. Let's look at 2006 from January through April. So any way you like, you can hone right down or keep it big. I'll just show you the all data. And once you have chosen age group and a window of time and the illness burden, you then click enter, and that takes you to your How's Your Health cumulative data report based on those features. It's a big table, so take some time just to look on the left-hand side for now. We can talk about more later. You'll see practice demographics up here on the left, total number of patients who've gone through and taken How's Your Health ever in this case, percent of respondents with various diagnoses, having income problems, bothered by symptoms, and way down the list as you look at all of this, you'll see the percent of patients who report that they have been hospitalized in the last year, taking 3 or more meds, having a PCP. Odd that you would see numbers less than 100% in a solo practice, but I guess that confuses some people. And again, you can compare this to the benchmark data that I showed you on the home page. So that's just a quick example of how you get to your cumulative How's Your Health data. Obviously, if your data set's very small, some of these percents are going to look weird, and as the data set builds over time, you'll flesh this out, and it'll be a lot more meaningful to you in your practice.